Hi there, everyone. Woody and I are headed out today again for another full day of adventure and fun and exploring. So I hope that you will come along with us and see everything that we find. Really cool waterfalls are ahead, according to what Woody has discovered in his research, and maybe even a lake. So who knows what we're going to get into. Hopefully we can get our feet into some of this cool mountain water. Stay tuned, and I'll see y'all on the other side of the video. Peace. Beautiful babies. Oh, that's a paint with blue eyes. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful horses. The dogs are losing their minds. Juno, hush up. Okay, we're going on down the road, doing some more exploring, leaving horse camp. So this is some interesting stuff for you campers, whether you be in a RV or whether you be in a tent. There are several designated campground areas down this road off of General's Highway, and it's Big Meadows Campground. And it has toilets, but you have to pay. It's $25 a night. Each additional vehicle is $7. And I'm sure they accept the national park passes, like the access pass, but you see there's a bathroom right there. Jack, get back. Do you see where Jack is? He's right here, hanging his head out the window. Anyway, the campgrounds are really nice. There's a lot of shade, and I'm sure you can find places with sun if you have solar. But one thing you have to remember, every site we've passed has been reserved. So if you want to come here, you need to reserve in advance. And the way you do it is with Reserve America, like I said on one of my previous videos. It's just a really beautiful area. Coming up on another campground that's still part of Big Meadows. They have a camp host. This is Unit 4. And there's a lot of open space, but what we've noticed is if you look on the signs or the posts that are out in front of each individual campground, there's a reserve sign on it. This is Big Meadows Campground Unit 5, and we're going to drive down in here to show y'all what one of the campgrounds here looks like. Roads are a little rough, just like most campgrounds. As you see, this space right here, it has a picnic table, and it has a food locker, and it has a fire pit, and it's reserved. Very nice camping area. As you can see, there's pit toilet right there. This is one of the waterfalls on this little creek. This is the creek that runs through the Big Meadows campgrounds. It's quite lovely. See the little birdie down there? It's beautiful out here, folks. There's the creek. Isn't it beautiful?
This on here says dispersed camping okay beyond this point.
That's right. Just what Woody said. Dispersed camping okay beyond this point. Water's very clear. Juno's liking it. Look at that beautiful waterfall. It's just coming off that rock. It looks like a water slide.
That's Sliding Rock in North Carolina.
Yeah, or Slide Rock Park that's off that road going between Sedona and Flag.
Looked up there and I was turning out the glaciers there.
Wow. Man, Mother Nature sure does give us some beautiful gifts. Wow, that is gorgeous. This is another waterfall that we found along the road. Look how beautiful that is. I'll swing around and get some more video for you. There's butterflies flying all around here. They're just everywhere. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. The water is so clear. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to hang on to the rock here and see if I can get my toe in. Woo! That's some cold water. Woo! Man, Mother Nature sure does give us some beautiful sights. I think I might just sit here a minute. This is the view of the waterfall from the bridge. That water is just crystal clear. This is the other side of the bridge. It's really pretty here, folks. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. I'm going to cross this highway. I'll show you why in just a minute. Look at this. I just feel so blessed that I get to be out here and see this amazing stuff. Hang on, I'm going to go down by the river. We're down by the river's edge right now. Look at that. So beautiful. I'm going to stick my toes in, see how cold it is. Woo! That is freezing cold. Woo, man. That would definitely feel good on a hot day. It's making my foot feel good. Let me see if I can get the other one in there. Slide around. Oh my goodness, this is nice, clear, cold water. Look at that. I am a lucky girl. I have to tell you folks, I cannot get enough of this river. It is just stunning. I can't get enough of this. We're pulled over in a parking lot for a cave. Looks like that's the walkway to get up to the cave. Not gonna do that, but oh my gosh. This river is amazing. Can you believe this gorgeous river that I'm standing beside? I mean, it is amazing, guys. Can you hear the rush of that water? I'm really a lucky person to be out here, living this life. You know, if the universe's plan was for me to be able to live this life, I had to get multiple sclerosis and get on disability. I'm okay with that. Wish y'all were here. This is the Roaring River. The name is very appropriate. There's a trail that goes up to the falls. Well, I persevered up the trail and I'm so glad I did. This is amazingly beautiful. I can see why they call it Roaring River Falls. The whole area is just lovely. Look at that pool of water down there. It's so crystal clear. I'm sorry I keep videoing the whole thing over again, but it's just so stunning, jaw-dropping. Okay, I met these young ladies just now. Their names are Alyssa in the front, Bethany in the back. And they are going to climb up and jump in that water. So they say. That's Tucker over there, he's filming. They invited me to do it. Are you chickening out? Oh, they were just making sure there was nothing that they could hurt themselves on. Okay. Safety first. Look at the map tattoo on her back. So badass. Okay, here they go. Alyssa up the mountain first. These are some brave young ladies. Shannon, if you're watching this, Alyssa is your age. Don't you ever do this. So says Mom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I made the journey up that path. These are some awesome young people too. They work at the Christian camp that we were at earlier. Okay, let's see if Bethany can do it. Alyssa's coming down for an assist. Tucker's moving in for an assist. Okay, now Bethany has lived in Florida and Maui in California. Alyssa and Tucker are both from California. Yes, I'm one of those people. I find out all their information and then I film them. Okay, Tucker's such the gentleman. Okay, here they are. I don't know if I'll get the jump from way over here. This is as close as I can get. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Please be safe, young ladies. Please be safe. I'm shaking for them. Okay, she got the go-ahead. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Alyssa encouraging. Woo! Yes! You girls rocked it! Oh, to be young and brave. Okay, now Tucker's gonna go and Alyssa is going again. She said you can't just do it once because you taste how fun it is, you have to do it again. So Tucker up the rock and Alyssa coming up behind. Oh my gosh, the wind is really blowing, so it's blowing the camera around. Wow. I could never do this. I don't think I could have done it at 22 years old. Okay. Alyssa's going up the rock. I mean, who am I kidding? I couldn't even jump off the high dive when I was in middle school. There's no way I could do this. There's a certain guy that I know. I'm wondering if he would want to do it. Okay, Tucker and Alyssa up at the top. Tucker. Giving some last minute instructions. Okay. Bethany getting in place to video. It'll be better if you turn your camera sideways. Yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
They're going together? Oh my gosh.
They're dating.
Oh my gosh, they are too adorable. So that was an amazing adventure. I can't believe those kids jumped off that rock. To be young and healthy, vibrant like they are. Awesome kids. I'm glad I got to meet them. Man, this has been one heck of a day. I'm going to go back down to the van where Woody's waiting so I can show him this incredible video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh man, there's so much more to see here in the parks, both Sequoia and Kings Canyon, that there will be a lot more video to come. The only problem is, with no signal, it's hard to upload very often. So it'll be sporadic, but it'll still be great. Peace.